Need a simple storage solution for your home? Watch this video next. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So today we are inside my brand new apartment in Richmond, Virginia. And it's a 1-bedroom apartment, and rather than just use all of my vertical space, I need to go up high, and that's going to require using Elfa Shelving products from the Container Store. I love this product. I've used this product in my other home office, and I'm going to use it again as a storage solution. So the Elfa system is a track system, and what you need is the top track up towards the ceiling. You need to make sure that you find studs and that you tightly secure that track, because that's going to hold the weight of the entire storage system. The next thing that you're going to need is this easy track hanger. It has these little grooves, like these hooks in here, that are going to attach to the top of the track. So for my shelving system, I'm going to have 3 tracks. These are 102 inches. There's also ones that come in, I believe, 84 inches, and a couple of other sizes depending on your needs. Because you're not going to know where exactly to place these until you use the actual shelves. So this is where my desk is going to sit at this length. And in order to create the desk, you need the Elfa brackets that will sit on the hanger here. Your Elfa shelf, and what happens is that it connects right here to the side of your shelves, so the bracket is going to fit right in there. And as you can see, this needs to move over towards the right some more. That's our first shelf. This is how you put this system together. It is so easy. Now we just gotta build it up. I have a series of baskets. You need to take the brackets and the basket pieces. You do need to put these in first. You have to start from the bottom and work your way up, or else it won't fit properly. Roll on the piece that's going to secure the shelf on the brackets. So the next step here is to take the basket, and then you're just gonna place the basket in the hole. And that just sits right in there, and then on top of that, you can go ahead and cover it. One side or the other side. And at the ends of each bracket, you will put a bracket cover if there's not going to be another shelf or anything there. And again, this just makes the look seamless and put together. Yes, wardrobe change. We're on a new day here. And we have the desk area set up. We put in the drawers below the desk. And now we're going to be working on the upper part of this Elfa structure. We're going to be putting in some shelving as well as a couple other drawers that could come out. Again, I'm putting in the brackets, and I'm working from the bottom up because that's the way this system works. And the more shelving and drawers that you put on this Elfa system, the sturdier the whole entire thing gets. All right, so this one is a decorative shelf. So now I'm just gonna build up above that. I'm probably gonna want these up on top. So I'm just gonna kind of measure out where my shelf should hit. So it looks like it should hit right here. And I'm gonna have one that goes straight across, so I just need one more bracket over here. And again, count down 9, Let's see if they're level. They are level too. Level. So one last piece that you may want to check out is this track cover that sits on the top of the track that's holding all of this together behind me. And you would just put this inside the track. It's pretty flimsy and it just makes it look pretty and it gives it that finished look. So you can find all of this at the Container Store, and you can even find things to decorate your Elfa Shelving collection. This is one solution for your home office. This storage unit can actually work for your closets, it can work in your kitchen, it can work anywhere your imagination takes you. If you want more organizing tips, make sure you go check out this video next and check out our organizing plan down below. Until next time, happy organizing!